Two aircraft, two philosophies, two completely different ways of conquering the air. One whispers, the other roars. So, which is more elegant, the aircraft that dances with the sky, or the one that conquers it with pure, engineered muscle? Let's pit gliding against powered flight, and by the end I promise you'll see flight from a whole new angle. Now here's the twist most people miss. Gliders and powered aircraft actually fly using exactly the same laws of physics. Lift, drag, gravity and airspeed. They're universal. Lift pulls us up, drag slows us down, gravity decides if we stay up or sink. But here's the difference. Gliders negotiate with these forces, powered aircraft simply overpower them. Let's start with gliding, the silent art of efficiency. If flight were poetry, gliders would be a pure, elegant stanza. There's no engine, no throttle, no go-around button. Every move costs altitude, every mistake has a price. But when a glider pilot reads the sky just right, the numbers are almost magical. Imagine, a modern glider can move 50 meters forward for every single meter it descends. Even the sleekest airliner as a glider manages about 15-1. Glider pilots don't cheat gravity. They negotiate with it, using thermals, ridge lift, and even invisible waves of air. It's a dance with nature, interpreting clouds, reading the wind, surfing the atmosphere. Everything about a glider screams efficiency, slender wings, smooth surfaces, minimal drag, lightweight materials. It's aerodynamics in its purest form, elegance by necessity. Now flip the energy. Powered flight is all about bending the sky through force. Whether it's a roaring jet or a tidy turboprop, these aircraft don't ask the air for permission. They punch right through it. Turbofans and turbojets accelerate air backwards to push forward. That's Newton's law, weaponized. Powered flight means you can climb on command, muscle through turbulence, and haul massive loads. It's impressive, but it comes at a cost. More weight, more drag, more fuel, and a beautiful loop of brute force engineering. What about the footprint? A glider might float by and you'd never know. A jet announces itself miles away. Combustion, fan noise, shock waves, even the wake is different. Gliders leave a faint trace. Jets leave swirling mini tornadoes that can flip a small plane. When it comes to piloting, glider pilots must be pure tacticians, constantly on edge, managing every ounce of energy. Powered pilots are systems managers, balancing engine performance, fuel flows, complex avionics. Both require mastery. But here's the ultimate truth. If a powered aircraft loses thrust, it becomes a glider, just not a very good one. Gliders, though, are born for this. They embrace gravity, while powered planes resist it. Both succeed, both inspire. The future? Electric propulsion, ultra-efficient wings, hybrid systems. Maybe we don't have to choose between elegance and power. We might just blend them. Imagine a world where aircraft climb in silence and cruise with glider-like finesse. That future's closer than you think. In the end, gliding and powered flight aren't rivals. They're two sides of the same dream. One whispers to the wind, the other commands it. Both are aeronautical elegance, just in different forms. If you love this dive into the sky, buckle up. There's a lot more airspace to explore.